the correct operating system. This is a Windows computer. See that the download starts in the bottom left corner of the screen. Once it is complete, you may click to open it. Next, allow it to install. It should only take a few moments. And when it finishes installing, it will automatically open on your screen. Allow it to check for updates. Once the files are updated, the application will automatically open on your screen. You will want to click Log In. Then you will click New User, Register Now. Here you will enter a valid email address. Then you click Get Code. It will verify that it has sent a code to your email address that you have put in this box. At that point, you will go to your email address and look for the Qkids service email. We may copy and paste the 6-digit code into the code box. Enter a password. The password must be 6 digits or longer. Click Register. Then your student application will be registered. The next part is to create a profile. Please click the top left corner again to see this screen. You will then click the pencil, and here is where you will enter the student's name and the student's birthday. You can click whether your child is a boy or a girl and click Save. Once you have finished this, you are ready for your free classes. Thank you!